Ube khona lapho izinyembezi ziwela, ube khona lapho izulu liyehla. Ingabe ngingedwa lapha kodwa wena uyazi kahle.
Sanibonani ma MK Amahle. I did report to you Kuti we have guests as ama visitors Kababa. We are finally here. We are in Kandla, as you can see behind me. Our delegates are here. The Vice Chancellor and his delegates are here. Baba is talking to them inside, and yeah, they are very happy. They actually love South Africa. They were looking at the rolling hills. They were saying, oh, South Africa is beautiful.
This is a special visit to the former president of South Africa, Jacob Zuma. And we are so happy. Indeed, he received us very well. And this is a man of substance who always tell you about activism. He is so passionate about Africa. Just not about Africa, but how we can empower ourselves and stay as one united people. And for me, the experience I've gained from this visit, I'm not taking it for granted. Very, very renowned, and I always love to share a conversation with this man because he was so much passionate about seeing Africa to be one of the best in the world. And personally, I thought he was just a fighter, but he was just an intellect, someone who is able to identify that economic empowerment is not about political empowerment, and able to separate political empowerment from economic empowerment. And he gave us a lecture on how to do it. In fact, I have learned, but this one has taught me how to empower ourselves. And this is something I'm sending back to my students, to teach them that the theories they are learning is not enough. It's not adequate, but they must have more experiences with experienced people. And that's the only way Africa will be united. Africa will be able to gain economic empowerment, which we are lacking. We don't have economic empowerment. All these years, we have been battling and fighting for political empowerment. What is left now is economic empowerment, and that is what Zuma stands for. No wonder he joined BRICS at a time none of the leaders thought it was possible.
Been undescribable, very wonderful, very fascinating and engaging. In fact, it's an experience of our lives. Being here and seeing Baba, the reception is an eye-opener. We are so grateful. I believe there will be more of these visits, and Baba will be coming back and back to us in Ghana as many times as he's. No, uluvo namhlanje lusho ukuthi ngijabule kakhulu ngoba ngivakashelwe abafowethu abaqhamuka enhlane eAfrika. Labafowethu ke babe ngibizile ukuthi ke ngizoba khona sikhulume ngendaba zase-Afrika nokuthi kwenzekani. Besikhona ke sihamba nebandla lami lomkhonto wesizwe lapha eSouth sakhuluma khona base bethembisa ukuthi bayofika bezobonga njengoba befikile namhlanje bebezobonga ukuthi savuma ukuthi siye khona laba balapha ke imfundiso ezinkulu zale mfundo okuthiwa imfundo ephakeme kuyibona abafundisa le eAfrika. So sizwa sinokujabula okukhulu ukuthi sikwazile ukuhlangana nabo bafika bazosho ukuthi bayabonga kwahamba kahle nezinkulumo esazenza nabakwenza nabo nendlela ke basiphatha ngayo kwase kwanda ubuhlobo bethu phakathi kwethu sezivumelene ukuthi njalo nje sizoloku sithindana nje ngoba sifuna ukushintsha iAfrika manje ibuye ibe le anti-Afrika yayiyona ngekhathi zasemandulo. So sibonge kakhulu ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi bafikile la sakwazi ukuthi sihlale nabo phansi sixoxe kabanzi sibonisane imbono ethini kuhle kakhulu. Sibonga kakhulu ke bandla nani siyanibonga nina niseduze kwethu ukuthi awu nani nibe khona nenza ukuthi sikwazi ukubonakala nabantu babonakale nezivakashi zethu zibonakala ngoba nibone sifake almost ongiyane ngathi kufake ongiyane kanti hayi sifake umvunulo. Siyabonga.